In the city, where the morning papers line Main Street and tell of dangers that can strike without warning or expectation, the endless droning of cars, crowds, and construction, and yet, under all this, the storm of city life, there is serenity and there is peace. The sun rises behind the buildings, and the new day begins to the sound of tides lapping gently against crystal sands.
I don't want you to move a whole lot or I get the fire. Okay.